Good morning, students. Today in this lecture we will discuss the next topic, that is the uncertainty principle, or it is also called Heisenberg uncertainty principle. We know that the electrons revolve around the nucleus in different shells. Okay, this is K shell, L shell and so on. In that way they move with different speeds. Now according to Heisenberg in 1927 he gives a principle according to which it states that it is impossible to find or to measure simultaneously the exact position as well as the exact momentum of a body as small as electron. That means if an electron is moving in a circular path, so it is not possible to exactly find the position as well as the momentum together simultaneously of a small body like electron. Now we assume that delta x is the change in position of a small body. That is, change in position means we can say uncertainty in position. Delta p is the uncertainty in momentum. Now the product of uncertainty in position as well as uncertainty in momentum will be greater than or equal to a constant, that is h upon 4 pi, where s is a Planck constant. Now delta x into, we write the value of momentum, that is mass into velocity, is greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi. Now we take m to this side, delta x into delta v is greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi m. Okay. Now if we are taking a small moving particle like electron, then for an electron with mass 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, the product of uncertainty will be calculated in this way. Delta x into delta v is greater than or equal to, it will be greater than or equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 upon 4 into 3.14 into mass of electron. After calculating, we get the product of uncertainty will be 0.57 erg second per gram approximately. Here erg means the unit of energy, that is 10 to the power minus 7 joule, or it is 100 nanojoule. Students, see, if you have to locate the position and momentum of this electron, so what will happen? To locate an electron, a light beam of shorter wavelength is required. This is the light beam, this is incident light which falls on this electron to find its position and momentum. So what will happen? The photon of light strikes the electron. ये इंसिडेंट लाइट क्या करेगी? ये इस इलेक्ट्रॉन पे स्ट्राइक करेगी, टकराएगी, एंड द रिफ्लेक्टेड फोटोन इज सीन थ्रू अ माइक्रोस्कोप. Okay, now when the photon strikes the electron, the impact changes its position as well as velocity both. In that way, simultaneously we cannot find the exact position as well as momentum of a smaller body like electron. Okay.